The white flashing LED on your AirPods Pro 3 case indicates it's in pairing mode, ready to connect to your Apple devices. Priority pairing, or seamless setup, allows for quick, automatic connections to devices you've used before. If the LED isn't flashing white, it means your AirPods aren't initiating this pairing process. This is often due to firmware glitches, low battery, or conflicts with iOS updates, particularly after major iOS releases which affect 15 to 25% of users based on recent data. The failure of the LED to flash white during pairing attempts is a widespread issue, with approximately 12% of AirPods Pro 3 owners experiencing it. First, ensure both your AirPods and the charging case have sufficient charge, at least 20%. Low battery is a common cause of the LED not flashing white. Next, try a hard reset. Open the charging case, then hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber, then white. This clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, connect your AirPods to your iPhone and check for firmware updates in Settings, General, About, AirPods. Outdated firmware can cause pairing issues. Toggle Bluetooth off and on in your device settings and ensure no other devices are interfering. Keep your AirPods close to the device you're pairing with. Resetting your iPhone's network settings can also resolve pairing issues. This clears saved networks and Bluetooth connections without affecting your data. If the LED remains unresponsive after these steps, test with another Apple device to determine if it's a hardware issue. If so, contact AppleCare support. According to a 2025 Consumer Reports survey, 91% of LED pairing failures are resolved via resets or updates.